part? Where do you usually part your hair?
Dans le milieu?
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already parted then. Okay. Let's get this party started. Oh, started. Oh, start. Okay. So I have my little sister here with me, and she is letting me do her hair. She wants to do a wash and go and have stronghold. So I'm going to use my favorite products and my favorite method on her hair. Her hair is very similar to mine, but not exactly the same. So we'll see how those work on her hair. Come on here, model. Come on, come on, come on. Let us see you. So yeah, her hair is already washed, detangled, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna get started with doing her hair right now. Let's do. Okay, let's change. Jesus. Anyway, so if you guys are interested, keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Actually, she's not always gonna be here, but you get what I mean.
I could be.
So products that I'm going to be using going to be the Curls Goddess Curls Botanical Gel. That's going to be the base, and then I am going to top it off with my Style Sexy Hair Gel. So those are the two products that I am going to be using on her hair for the wash and go. And then, of course, I have my little spray bottle right here, since we're not doing this in the shower, so that we can re-moisturize her hair. We wet her hair when we need a little bit more. So let's get this party started. Wow. You really have to be that loud. Alright, so starting with the back section, her hair feels so good right now. If you saw her hair before,
That's unnecessary.
super dry because she doesn't take care of her hair.
I do.
She's in law school. No time. Look at this. Look. Like, when was the last time you saw your hair like this? Okay. I know. Alright, so.
Is that water?
Mm-hmm.
What do you use hot water?
Remember, low porosity heat. Open up the cuticles of your hair.
Cuticles.
Yes, so the products can get in. I'm starting off with my curls. Goddess Curls here. I'm using a large section first, but I am going to break it down when it's time for me to rig the product in. So I have the botanical gel right now, the curls, and then now I am going to pump the Style Sexy.
Pump it up. Pump. You know that song?
I don't know if I need your commentary, really, you know. So I'm topping it off. Do you do this yourself?
No.
She doesn't do these things on her own, so.
Not at all.
It's pretty much a teaching, like a class for her right now. So see, it's already.
You think you're going to go in small section again?
Yeah, I'm going to do smaller section. So now I'm going to break it down here.
With both?
Don't you worry, sis. Alright.
Don't you worry about a thing. That's a song? Alright.
That's a song I don't need you to be singing right now. How about that?
Wait, there's a song that goes, don't you...
See, now we're raking it in. Rake it in. Rake it in. Yep. I mean, you can do more to it if you want to, but...
Didn't you tell me that if we do too much, it's going to get frizzy?
Like when you're done with this section, like each section, when you're done with it, you just leave it alone and you move on to the next one. You just don't play with it. That's when it gets frizzy.
Don't you go after again?
No, that's it. Oh. You're going to leave it as is. I think you have too much protein in your hair. Although your hair feels like... It doesn't feel dry, but it still doesn't feel like the way it's supposed to be. And see, I'm not using comb.
Mm-hmm. I typically use comb when I do wash and go.
No brush. The hair is already detangled. You don't need to be No.
So you advise to detangle during the conditioner?
If the conditioner has slip, that's why I love the conditioners with slip. If it doesn't, then you can do it with a regular conditioner that has slip or leave-in conditioner. But because mine made extra steps, I like to do it that way. Okay, so I'm going to wet this section right here because it's drying up already. I think her problem is that she has a lot of bad ends that needs to be taken care of. So her hair is drying up pretty quick. And I think she used too much protein on her hair as well because I can kind of feel it as I'm touching her hair. But I am re-moisturizing her hair right now, and then I am going to keep going and applying the products.
Hands free.
Okay, so we are at the very last section. How long have we been doing this?
3 minutes.
Really?
No.
I feel like it's been longer between you talking a whole lot.
I don't even talk like that.
You don't?
Okay. Oh my filter. Because we all have.
Oh my god, I need you to stop.
Stop moving.
Yes. Okay, so we are all done. I'm gonna have her sit under the dryer for
an hour.
Yes, an hour.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because you have a lot of product in your hair right now. So you need it to dry. An hour is not even enough, but we're going to start with 1 hour. Let me see if I can remove excess here. And then we'll come back on camera to show what the hair looks like. But definition is here, and she's going to have a lot of hold. What do you think?
I think so too.
Do you like what you see?
I do. I always do.
All right, let's do it. Jesus. So this is the next day actually. We had her sit under the dryer for about an hour. It wasn't 2 hours, was it?
2 hours.
About an hour and a half, I would say. About an hour and a half, and her hair was completely dry. Now she had things to do. So now we are looking at the hair. Turn around. So that's your hair completely dry. How do you feel about it? How do you like it?
I do like it, but I feel like it's a little crunchy, and I like medium hold because it's less crunchy. It's soft to the touch.
Well, you asked for strong hold.
I did.
Remember?
I did.
So she asked for strong hold. I give her strong hold, but she says it's a little too crunchy. So, yeah. So if you don't like strong hold, I mean, if you want strong hold, you're gonna get crunchy. That's what you're gonna get. Okay. So if you don't want crunchy, then you don't want strong hold. That's what you have to keep in mind. But you can
very defined.
Okay, yeah, that's another thing as well. It's very defined. So that's why I love this combination so much. I don't mind the crunchiness. That's what I love because it lasts me a very long time, especially that I live in South Florida. It gets very humid around here. But there are ways that you can get rid of the crunchiness. I'm going to use this spray right here. I haven't used this in a while. This is from the Main Choice from the Exotic Kool-Aid collection. That is their Melon and Nectarine Melted Shine Oil. So this is a combination of oil, but it also has water in it. So what I'm going to do is just spray it in my hand and just scrunch it into her hair. And that's going to help get rid of some of the crunchiness that it has. You can do this with a refresher spray. So if you have a refresher spray, you can use that. Or you can just let it be because over time, like as the days go by, the crunch's gonna go away. So, but I'm going to spray this in my hands. You don't need a lot of it, just a little bit. And then just crunch it into her hair all over. This is also going to help with a little bit of shine as well. So
I like the smell.
yeah, it does smell good. And right now I'm also trying to shape it a little bit. The back of her hair is a little weird because the back is looser. That's where she has her looser curls. so it extends a little bit more than the rest of the hair. It's not like it's not that it's longer, but it's just looser, so it hangs more than the rest of the hair. So she can leave it like this if she wants to, or cut it. It's up to her. All right, so that's it, guys. That is it. That is pretty much how her hair looks after I use my products, well, my favorite products in my method on her hair. Her hair is also a little dry, and I don't know if you guys remember, I said in a video her hair, it was already dry when we started. That's because she doesn't really take care of her hair the way that she's supposed to.
Subscribe to the
she does not really take care of the hair the way that it's supposed to. So originally it wasn't moisturized, and she does use too much protein, and her ends need to be taken care of. But overall, it looks good. She has a definition. She has the hold that she was looking for. Although she says that it's a little crunchy, but again, if you want strong hold, you are going to have to deal with the crunch. If you do not want the crunch, then you don't want strong hold. But that is pretty much it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it for you, just like all the other videos. Did you have fun?
Yes. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe.
Yes, subscribe and also ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads from me. She's not always going to be here, okay? This was a one-time thing. She was just in town, so we're having a little bit of fun. And yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, any video suggestions, or you just want to say hi, leave them for me in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you guys, and I answer to all my comments. And in the meantime, if you want to see more from me, I will have some suggestions for you right here on the screen. Be sure you check them out. Thank you very much for hanging out with us today, and I will catch you in my next one. Mwah.